Question number 5. Bacteria can cause a variety of diseases in humans. 5.1. This question is from cell structure. What are the two similarities between a bacterial cell and an animal cell? Animal cell and the bacterial cell both have cell membrane. Bacterial cell has cell wall, but animal cell does not have. Animal cell has nucleus, but it is absent in bacterial cell. Plasmids are present in bacterial cell, but they are absent in animal cell. Both of them have cytoplasm. Five point two is from the topic of bacterial diseases. Salmonella food poisoning is caused by bacteria in food. Give one symptom of Salmonella food poisoning. Do not refer to vomiting or diarrhea in your answer. The other symptoms of the food poisoning are stomach pain or abdominal pain or cramps, high fever or temperature. Let's see the model answer. High fever or temperature, abdominal pain or cramps. 5.3 is an year 2 question from the topic of discovery and development of drugs. What is the name of the first antibiotic developed? The name of the first antibiotic is penicillin, discovered by Sir Alexander Fleming. Before proceeding to question number 5.4, we need to understand the figure number 7. A child with severe bacterial infection was given a course of antibiotics. The figure number 7 shows how the concentration of live bacteria in the child's body changed when taking the course of antibiotics. This is the place when the course started, and the time in the days is along x-axis, whereas the concentration of live bacteria in the body is along y-axis. We can see there when the antibiotic was given, still the concentration of bacteria is increasing. After a certain value, it start decreasing. The question 5.4. 5.4 is a question which is the AO3 question from the bacterial diseases and antibiotics and painkiller. The concentration of live bacteria in the body continued to increase after starting the course of antibiotics. Suggest one reason why. We need to go back to our graph. We can see here in figure number 7, when the antibiotic was given, even then the concentration of bacteria is increasing. The reason can be that antibiotic takes certain time to reach every single bacteria in the body. Or the student can write the time delay is due to a few bacteria killed even the course has started. But it will take time to reach to every single bacteria in the body. Let's see the model answer. The model answer is antibiotics take time to reach every single bacteria in the body. The time delay, only a few bacteria kill, even the course of antibiotic has started, and bacteria keep reproducing. 5.5 is an AO2 question. After 3 days of taking the antibiotics, the child felt better. There was still bacteria in the child's body. Why did the child feel better? Tick one box. This question is from communicable diseases. The child is feeling better. The reason is a lot of the bacteria has been killed by the antibiotics. There are less bacteria in the body, therefore, a few toxins are produced in the body as compared to day 0. The answer is there were few toxins in the body than at day 0. 5.6 is an A1 question. Suggest why doctors do not give antibiotics to patients with minor infections. This question is from Antibiotics and Painkiller. The doctors do not refer the antibiotics to the minor infection. The reason is the bacteria will become resistant to the antibiotics and they will have ability to reproduce again. Let's see the model answer. The doctors do not give the antibiotics to the patient with minor infections. Otherwise, the bacteria will become resistant to the antibiotics. Figure number 8 shows blood viewed using the microscope. We can see that A, B, C, and D is the composition of the blood. 5.7 is an AO2 question and it is from blood composition and vaccination. A vaccine will stimulate the production of antibodies. Which part of the blood in figure number 8 produces antibodies? These are red blood cells, these are platelets, that is plasma of the blood, and these are white blood cells. White blood cells are involved in human immune system. Therefore, they will produce antibodies in the body. The answer is B. 5.8 is an AO2 question. Which part of the blood in figure number 8 starts the clotting process? If you go back to figure number 8, A is shown as red blood cell, B is white blood cell, C is plasma in the blood, D are platelets. Platelets are involved in blood clotting. So the answer is D.